The next news article that we are going to discuss is Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, which has gained over $1 billion in share prices over the last week. Before we get into what happened and how it happened, let's give a brief overview of the companies involved, including Berkshire Hathaway and Snowflake. Berkshire Hathaway is an American-based investment company that is headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. This multinational conglomerate company is owned by Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor. And this company currently owns big names like Geico, Duracell, Dairy Queen, BNSF, Lubrizol, among others. Berkshire Hathaway is also known for investing in several promising startups, which includes the aforementioned Snowflake. Moving on to some information about Snowflake. Snowflake Incorporation is a cloud-based data warehousing company that was founded in 2012. The company was founded by Bob Movia in San Mateo, California, and the company is known to have raised more than $1.4 billion in venture capitals. The company has several investors, one of which are Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. We will now move on to what has happened. And the article mainly discusses the over $1 billion increase in stakes for Berkshire Hathaway in Snowflake. The company had initially invested $735 million into Snowflake, by buying over 6.1 million shares. The shares have then gone on to see a significant increase, and their stake price has risen from the previous $735 million US to a whopping over $1.8 billion US. Now, to why this has happened. To look into that, we need to look at the market, which we can see that over 2 days, Snowflake has seen an 18% increase in stock prices for Snowflake, which puts their current stock price at nearly $300. This number is a significant increase of a whopping 50% of stock prices from the initial IPO price of $120, which Berkshire Hathaway had initially paid for this to buy the 6.1 million shares for this company. Now, moving on to some concerns regarding Snowflake. While the company has seen significant increases, including a market capitalization of $80 billion, there are a few things that do not quite match up to Warren Buffett's previous investment patterns, which is the fact that despite the increased capitalization, the company had only earned $265 million in the last calendar year, and made a significant loss of $349 million. This goes against Warren Buffett's usual investment patterns of not investing in companies that usually make more losses than they make gains. Heavy loss companies are not necessarily what Warren Buffett is known for investing in, and hence it seems somewhat uncharacteristic of Warren Buffett's holding company Berkshire Hathaway to invest in Snowflake, despite the high increase in share prices. But this, however, does show the willingness in Buffett and his company to change the current patterns and look into firms that are more promising, that have more long-run promise, rather than just companies with good numbers initially. And from the numbers as of now, it seems like despite having a rocky start, the significant increase in the company's prices show that the company is on the right track, and the gamble might just have paid off. So this is all for the current article, and these are the sources. Thank you.